Adding a fireplace to a room has never been easier than with Modern Flame's CLX-2 series electric fireplace. The original recessed linear electric fireplace that started an industry revolution has received a makeover. The sleek design, easy installation, and unparalleled flame technology has landed the CLX-2 in countless residential and commercial projects around the world. With other recessed electric fireplaces now on the market, pick the one that represents the most realistic flame and backed by an industry-leading customer service. Take a minute to see how we've made this award-winning linear electric fireplace even better. Modern Flame's lifelike flame technology makes mirrors and repetitive pattern look obsolete. With flames stretching from glass to glass, you can enjoy hours and hours of mesmerizing flame beauty. A dark gray backscreen has been added to the CLX-2 to allow for a seamless color-changing flame from orange to blue. Simply tap the remote or hold the button on the touchscreen to change the flame color. Orange for summer, blue for winter makes this year-round electric fireplace provide unmatched ambiance for season to season. Installation is simple and easy, perfect for new build or remodel. For wall mount applications, mount the wall mount mounting bracket, locate the plug on the top or the side, plug in and hang. For recess applications, simply cut a hole in any 2x4 wall, locate the plug on the top or side, plug in, recess the unit. Either application can be tackled by any DIYer or building professional. A new thermostat feature has been added to the CLX-2, allowing you to set your temperature and heat your room to the desired level. The heater vent is located at the bottom of the firebox, perfect for TV installation directly above the fireplace, unlike much of the competition. A standard black glass surround finishes off the front of the CLX-2 with upgrade surround options of stainless steel, black stainless steel, matte black, and white. An extra LED light string has been added to the ember bed for glowing coals or shimmering glacier glass, which are included in every box. A multi-color LED lights can be added to the rear of the glass for a nice halo effect. Finally, the CLX-2 is available in sizes 45, 60, 80, 100, and 144 inches, perfect for all your residential and commercial applications. Visit modernflames.com to view our entire line of electric fireplaces, installation videos, and find a dealer near you. Modern Flames, innovating the industry standards of tomorrow.